How to log in to PostFinance Switzerland step by step. So you could do this in your preferred browser by searching up that specific bank and logging in through there, but the app version is available in your Play Store or App Store. So just go ahead and search for PostFinance and you should be able to find the app, install it, and just go ahead and open the app itself. Once you open up the app, you will get something like this. So you can either open a PostFinance bank account, but in our case, we're just gonna go ahead and log in, which is an option directly here in the very bottom. So press on that. You can also allow biometric login and notifications if you want. Just go ahead and press on allow now, and push notifications are deactivated. So press on device settings to allow this. Once that's done, you can just go ahead and log in using the username that you have and then the password, or the same thing but with an e-finance number. If you forgot your password, just go ahead and press on password forgotten and you should be able to retrieve it or make another password. Or if you don't have a username or an e-finance number, press on the bottom option and you should be able to get one so that you can log in through your Switzerland PostFinance bank account. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.